Have you ever imagined a life without computers or without mobiles, radios, and televisions? Yes, it is difficult to live a life without these amenities. So, the need for communication is very important, whether it is a mobile or a radio or a television, and also if there is a network of computers. Let us see what is a computer network. A computer network can be defined as a group of computers and other peripheral devices that are linked together for the purpose of sharing data and hardware resources. The network consists of two or more computers that are linked in order to share resources such as printers, CDs, etc. Even computers are connected between one another so that they can share and exchange the files and information between them. When computers connect between one another for communication, each computer in a network is called as a node. For a communication to be established between two computers, there should be a sender and a receiver. The sender sends the information and receiver receives. The information that is sent or received here are the messages and protocols. Protocols are the way of communication, how to accept or give the information to the other computer. Let us see the different parts of a communication system. Yes, as I said, there is a message that is exchanged between the sender and the receiver. The messages can be numbers, texts, or pictures, audios, and videos. The sender is a device, as well as the receiver is a device that communicate between one another. The device can be a computer or a workstation or a telephone handset and a video camera wherein the information are being sent and received. The transmission medium is the channel through which the information is sent, and this transmission medium can be wired or wireless. If it is a wired communication channel, then the different type of wires that are being used for communication are the twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable, and if it is a wireless communication, then radio waves are the one who establish the link between the two computers. As I said, the information when has to be communicated between one another, a protocol which is a set of rules that has to be followed for data communication is necessary. It represents an agreement between the communicating devices. Only if there is an agreement between the two communicating devices, information can be exchanged. Let us see what are the advantages of networking. Efficient use of storage. It is better to have big hard disk in a server than to have small hard disks in different computers. This big hard disk can be said as a big library where all the other computers are communicating to get the information. Preserving information. It is better to keep backup of the central location as an one place to look for the lost information. Reduction in hardware cost. As we know that in a computer network, some devices can be shared, and those devices that can be shared need not be bought again and again for each computer separately, and so this reduces the hardware cost. The efficiency in a network system is much more better as the deletions, modification and upgradation of the software or data is done at a single point only. Any change that has to be done only at a single point where all the other computers are coming for communication. Redundancy, that is, sharing of the soft copy of a file over the network. This eliminates the need to share paper copies at any information. Just like any information that we get from internet is having its own information place or a storage space where this information is placed, and all of us use that information as a library, and any change that has to be done can be done only at a single place. Previously, sending information or messages to one location to the other was very difficult, but here now this networking, the one internet which we commonly say, is a quickest document delivery method. Networking provides a facility to instantly deliver soft copies from one computer to another throughout the world. And the best example is the internet.